It takes the right person with the right skills to do the job.
Manufacturers are having a hard time finding the skilled labor that they need.
You've told us that that's a major problem.
9 out of 10 are struggling to find the talented workforce they need.
You've told us that it impacts important areas of your business. You've also told us you need help.
54% indicated they do not currently have a plan. The good news is almost half do, but the other half don't.
Introducing Tooling U-SME's Competency Framework for Manufacturing Excellence.
Our model digs right into where manufacturing either makes money or doesn't make money.
It was brought together by a collective group from different companies, industries across the United States.
The industry has changed so much. Technology has changed a lot of those jobs.
It's more than just being an operator anymore.
Without that framework, you're using up time and money that you don't have. The competency framework is a strong asset to helping our customers move forward in developing their workforce.
A new tool available to all Tooling U SME customers. Tooling U SME's Competency Framework for Manufacturing Excellence.